Hello guys, and welcome to another ProfileTree video. So in today's video we're going to be taking a look at the WP Members membership plugin. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. Now the WP Members membership plugin is a popular WordPress plugin designed to enable website owners to create membership based websites or to add membership functionality to their existing WordPress sites. So technically, it'll be good for any sites that are wanting to have e-commerce based. So you might want to have a WooCommerce plugin installed as well. It all depends, since it's going to be just a digital service that you're providing. So that's something to consider as another plugin. Now, it provides a range of features and tools to manage user registrations. You can pretty much restrict content access and control membership levels. Now, some of the key features of the WP membership plugin is that for the first one, you have user registration and login. So the plugin allows you to create custom registration and login forms for your website. So users can sign up for the memberships and log in to access restricted content. And as well as the restricted content, with the content restriction, only with the WP members you can restrict access to specific posts, pages, or custom post types. You have the flexibility to choose which content should be available to members only. So that's more of an admin type control, so that's a good feature to have, especially for a website, depending whether it be a small website or a bigger website. You have membership levels as well, so the plugin does support multiple membership levels, so it allows you to create different tiers of access and unique permissions and content restrictions. Now you can define membership levels and assign users accordingly. Now, as well as this, you have the customization and template integration. So WP Members integrates with your WordPress theme and provides customization options to, of course, match the look of the website and the feel for your website. Now, you can customize the registration and login forms as normal, as well as the member profiles and more. So as well as the customization and template integration, you also have email notifications. So the plugin does enable you to send automated email notifications to users for account activation. You've got password reset and other membership related actions. So of course, if you are running an e-commerce website, that would be good to have just to verify the account, especially if you're wanting to do email marketing, things like that. You want to have a genuine email to forward to, so that would be why what's great to have the email notifications as a feature. Now, as well as this, you have integration with payment gateways. So WP Members integrates with popular payment gateways like PayPal. You guys will know Stripe as well, and that'll allow you to monetize your membership site by charging fees for access, so things like that. So that would be a great thing to have. So as well, if you do offer other payment options, which I don't think you will be offering cash, but more bank transfer, you could try to maybe just have a payment gateway based off using PayPal and Stripe. Now, this plugin in particular offers user management, so the plugin does provide a user management interface where you're able to view and manage member profiles. What's good about this is, as an admin, so that's basically what it is. So you're the administrator, you're able to approve, you're able to deny, and manually add or remove members. So if a member is inactive for a certain amount of time, you can go ahead and remove them, or if there's new members, you can add them in. People that are maybe wanting to add themselves in, you can approve them, or you can deny those registrations. So quite a couple of things that you can manage using the user management feature. Now, as well as this, they do have short codes and widgets. So WP members include short codes and widgets that make it easy to display the login forms, the registration forms, and other membership related elements on your website. Now the extensibility. So the plugin offers various extensions and integrations to enhance its functionality. So as I mentioned earlier on, you've got integration like email marketing services, more and plenty more payment gateways that you could use, and of course it's packed full of other features. So this is where you can find it, guys. So it is the WP members membership plugin. So if you want to just type that out, and of course you can take a look at some of the features it has. This is the description. So if you need a membership site, so that's basically what it is. Restrict or hide posts, limit menu items, user login registration, all that. You've got admin approval as well, as I mentioned earlier on, shortcodes for login, and you also have API functions for extensibility. And what's great about this, so they've got free extensions there as well, so stop spam registrations. So you've got the API, of course, to block spam registrations. You've got send test emails as well, so that would be great to have. Now you have premium extensions there, so you've got the advanced options, download, protect. So have a read through that basically on the description. Now it also goes through the installation also for it, so it's easy enough to do. And then of course there's a couple of screenshots on how the WP members demo would look like, or for the forum. Of course, if you're an existing user, then you can just log in like normal into the store, or to the website. Or of course, if there are new users, then that's how the registration form would look. Now, as I've mentioned before, it does and will match the theme that you have currently on your WordPress website, so you don't need to worry about that. And this is the background of how it would look. So you've got the WP members options. You can check out the fields, the dialogues, the emails. You can show and take out what you want to show, what you don't want to show. So a couple of the settings there for updating. That's how it would look like for the admins panel. Well, yes, it would be the admins panel there for the fields. So you've got the address if you want to display that, and if it has to be required. So of course the things that you would want required will be starred, so like the first name, your last name, the address, the city, state, your phone, email, things like that. So it would all be starred, and just to verify that account. So it's all there. These are all pretty much the if you didn't write and anything within that box, this is the error messages or a dialogue. So if the email is registered, so that email has already been registered, or if the username's been taken within that database, then it automatically states, sorry, that username is taken, please try another. So things like that. So it's a fairly handy little plugin to have. That's it, showing you what it would look like within the mobile version of the plugin. So that's how it would look for the login form, or the form. So packed full of features, and with the reviews, of course, it's all 5 stars all around. Well, it's sitting at around a 4.8, 4.5 out of 5. And you can see that it is regularly updated, so it was only updated 2 weeks ago, so it would be a reliable plugin to have. But as you could see, the WP members membership plugin is a versatile plugin, and it can be used for a wide range of membership based websites or even e-commerce websites. So you can create subscription sites, content communities, e-learning platforms as well. That's what's good, what it's good for, and pretty much more. Now, it provides a user-friendly interface and robust set of features to help you manage and monetize your membership site effectively. But that's pretty much it. That's just a quick little overview on the WP members membership plugin. So if you guys want to use something like that, then go ahead and take a look at this plugin. Would highly recommend it. Of course, there's other ones out there like the Ultimate Member, but this is the sort of thing that we would use within our company. Anyways, if you guys found this video helpful, please do let us know in the comment section below. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.